I'm gonna do something rare in this video. This night vision camera on this boat is so amazing. I'm gonna shut up and just let it speak for itself. Yeah, let's see that again.
All right, I've just added a night vision camera on my boat, and I should have done that a long time ago. I didn't realize how much I would enjoy this product. There's a bunch of products on the market. I chose Bodai 360 mostly because it's made in the USA and it's right here in Sarasota. But it's an HDMI connection. It's 12-volt power, so there's a button here to turn it on. It takes like 30 seconds to power up. But then once this powers up, it goes to your Garmin chart plotter with an HDMI. You can also connect to Raymarine via the analog version. So if you got HDMI, it's 1080p. If you got the analog, it's 720. But I've got a splitter down here, and I've got it on my extra monitor that I use for my computer. And I've got this like great view facing completely forward on the boat. And we do a lot of navigating at night into narrow channels. There's a lot of markers. It's really hard to see. Obviously doesn't replace the flashlight and identifying the markers and things like that, but it really increases your situational awareness. 20 years ago on my first sailboat, I had an analog radar on the back of the boat, and because it was so low, I was able to pick up these pilings really close in. But now my last two catamarans, the radar's been up on the mast, and there's a bit of a circle around the boat at a certain distance that you don't really see much. So as you're getting closer, you're trying to find these markers, you kind of lose that extra tool to find these markers. But golly, this thing is just it's been amazing, both at night and during the day. So I've got it here, the big screen where anywhere that I'm navigating inside I can see it, but it's also at the helm. Let's go check that out. All right, so we're up here at the helm, and I've got it on the full screen right now, but I mean, we can have it on a dual screen like this, where we'd have the chart and the screen. But I mean, it's a night vision camera. It does really well at night, but it's also so useful in the day, because if you look ahead, I mean, I don't have a whole lot of visibility right in front of the boat, especially when that headsail is rolled out. And this just gives me that clear visibility forward of the boat to pilings, boats, any obstruction is just there. So I use it just as much in the day that I do at night. It's been a great addition to the boat. So when I first started looking for a night vision camera, there's a number of products on the market that have been there for some time. The reason I chose this one, and I haven't tried the other ones, maybe they're very good as well, but this one, number one, it's made in the USA here in Sarasota, Florida. At the time of this video, it's $1,500, so it is cheaper than the other ones out there. The quality is exceptional, and mostly the build of it is what drew me to it, because it's a 316 stainless steel, titanium screws. There's a glass in front of the lens. Like, this thing can take a beating, especially in salt water and in this environment where everything corrodes. Like, this thing is built for this environment. The installation wasn't that bad. It's just 12-volt power with an HDMI cable, and we talked about the analog cable as well. There's a splitter at the end, so you have the choice of one or the other. The cable is 22 feet. You can add an extension beyond that. I just ran the cable down. I need to put some better fasteners in the front. Right now it's just zip tied, but I just ran it underneath and over across the bridge deck and inside the boat. So if you have a catamaran, we can design a custom mount for you in aluminum, like I did on this boat right here. But yeah, overall, for the price and the ease of installation and what it offers, it's been one of my favorite upgrades in the last little while. So really happy with the product.